In our fast-paced culture, many people resort to convenience over quality at mealtime. Using a microwave to cook food is one of those conveniences. The problem is, microwaves use electromagnetic radiation to agitate water molecules, which heats the food from the inside out. This changes the molecular structure of the food, making it hard to digest and zapping much of the food's nutrition. Stovetop and oven cooking cause a change in the actual temperature of the food, heating it from the outside in, while leaving the natural, healthy molecular structure of the food intact. And since it's unsure what effect the radiation absorbed by water molecules has on the body, it's best to rely on the oven and the stovetop for cooking. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.